Introducing the all-new 2026 Jeep Recon, the first fully electric trail-rated SUV that doesn't just go electric, it goes all in. This is not a soft street EV trying to play tough. This is the real deal, full Jeep attitude, fully electrified. We're talking 650 horsepower, 620 pound-feet of instant torque, and 0 to 60 in as fast as 3.6 seconds. That's not quiet and polite. That's plant your foot and feel it pull. With up to 250 miles of estimated range, this isn't just built to roam, it's built to roam far. The Recon proves you don't have to give up grit for grain, and you don't have to trade strength for silence. It's the same Jeep freedom, just plugged in and turned way up. Every inch of this machine is designed to push past limits and head straight for the horizon. Whether that horizon is covered in dust, snow, or city lights, Jeep didn't build this to follow trends. They built it to lead the pack. The Recon is what happens when off-road attitude meets electric muscle, and neither is told to hold back. Underneath the hood, or what used to be the hood, the Recon runs dual electric drive motors delivering true electric four-wheel drive with power to all four corners. No lag, no waiting, just traction on demand. The Jeep-exclusive Select Terrain system lets you dial in exactly how you want to drive, whether you're cruising downtown or climbing rock faces. Auto, Sport, Snow, and Sand are all standard, and when you go Moab, you unlock Rock Mode, which rewrites what electric off-road control feels like. Add Select Speed Control for crawling through the gnarly stuff without slipping and sliding, and you've got a rig that works as hard as you do. The battery pack is armored underneath with high-strength skid plates, because Jeep knows trails fight back. The suspension is tuned for real terrain, not parking lot puddles. With 33-inch tires, over 9 inches of ground clearance, and angles that beg mountains to try harder, the Recon is built to take hits and keep moving. This thing is not built for likes, it's built for impact. And just because it's electric doesn't mean it's closed off. In fact, the Recon is the only electric SUV that lets you go full open air, doors off, glass out, no tools required. Pop the doors, drop the windows, hit the trail, and let the world in. Add the available power roof, and you've got instant sky access whenever the mood hits. Inside, the Recon packs more than 26 inches of digital display, made to work fast and stay clean. The massive center touchscreen and driver display run on Uconnect 5, giving you crystal clear maps, media, and controls without cluttering your drive. Built-in Trails off-road mapping shows verified routes across North America with pitch, roll, range, and charge planning, so you don't guess where to go, you go. There's room for real life too, with nearly 66 cubic feet of cargo space, a front trunk for bonus storage, modular compartments, wireless charging, and materials tough enough for boots, boards, and bad ideas. The Alpine sound system is mounted under the seats so the music stays loud even when the doors are gone. Bottom line, this is not just another electric SUV. This is a Jeep that runs on volts instead of gas. It launches harder, drives smarter, and climbs with attitude. Starting at $65,000, the 2026 Jeep Recon begins production early next year, launching in the US and Canada first, then worldwide. So whether you're chasing dirt, skyline, or sunrise, this is your next rig. No gas, no gimmicks, no limits. Jeep Recon, welcome to the electric wild.